Hi everybody, welcome back to Happy Bake Day, where every day is a happy bake day. I hope you had a wonderful time celebrating Christmas with your family and your loved ones, and you enjoyed some great food. We made a delicious recipe last week that you hopefully had a chance to check out to serve at your Christmas dinner. We made cheesy pesto star bread. If you missed that episode, of course, you can check it out right here. With the new year just a few days away, I'm sure you were thinking about all of the delicious food you're going to be serving at your New Year's countdown party. If you're looking for inspiration, I have a great, easy recipe for you to make. It is bacon-wrapped scallops. For that, you'll need the following ingredients: 1 pound of medium scallops, 10 ounces of applewood smoked bacon, 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of honey, and not pictured here, but 1/2 tablespoon of water. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Cut your bacon strips into thirds. Take 1 piece of your bacon and wrap it around a scallop. Use a toothpick to secure the 2 ends together and place your wrapped scallop onto a baking tray that's been lined with some aluminum foil and sprayed with a little bit of cooking spray. Next, combine your brown sugar and your cayenne pepper in a small bowl. Pour in your honey, and you're going to mix until a really thick paste forms. After that, add in your water and mix again until smooth. It will be really thick. Use a basting brush to baste your sugar honey paste over all of the bacon. Then this is ready for baking. You're going to bake your wrapped scallops in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until your bacon is nicely browned and your scallops have turned an opaque white. And with that, our bacon wrapped scallops are done. You can see I've placed mine here on a little serving plate to enjoy them right away. They're warm but not hot. The glaze gave the bacon just such a beautiful brown color, a little bit of a sheen from that honey as it melted. I did eat one, and oh my gosh, they're great. The cayenne pepper doesn't even really give any heat because we added such a small amount. It does add some really fun flavor, especially with that brown sugar. So it's sweet with just a teensy bit of spice, not spicy, but just a teensy bit of spice. And then of course, the tender scallops in the middle are beautiful. It's a great option for an appetizer or like a giant charcuterie board for your new year. Thank you so much for joining me today while we made our delicious bacon-wrapped scallops. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you had fun baking with me today. I appreciate each and every single subscriber as you join me on this journey from banker to baker. Don't forget to visit my website or follow me on social media for this and all of my other delicious recipes. Until next time, I hope you have a very happy new year and a happy bake day.